That one, I say hi. That one, whole heap of pig up on the farm, guys. You see them get bigger and bigger. Big over here, so. Pig for days. One pig there. Long time I give you a tour off of the farm. Pig over there, so again. Yeah man, what go on guys, I know it's your boy Caribbean Vibes cooking. And we're out today again. Yeah man, so today I carry Chrissy and her family go to Barham in Westmoreland, and the first them actually I go that the river there. So I carry them. So in today's video, I give them one sorrel lamb with also sorrel jerk sauce, and dog I go cook some curry pork bone. Cause dog him say him no want an lamb people, I don't know what do with lamb. And so him say him no eat goat. So sorrel lamb with jerk sorrel sauce, curry pork bone, and we are gonna give them some festival today. You know, Caribbean Vibes way of how we cook the sorrel lamb and the festival. So stay tuned, my people.
Yes, peeps. Blessed Sunday morning to you all. I don't know anything setting up. We're out again with a brand new adventure. Yeah man, we have some spicy jerk lamb with festival with sorrel sauce. Yeah man, alongside a little curry pork bone. Yeah man, so just stay tuned till we reach on the surface. Boom.
Boss lady.
Yeah man, out again, one more adventure again, you know. Yeah man, I bomb Mr. Jaffa now, so you know. Yeah man.
And bag them pack up, we just wait for the transportation to come pick we up and all. Yeah guys, rain a fall hard since of lately, so you can see the road full of pear bush and all the cane a grow up. I want boss lady with the pot them.
Yeah peeps, we reach the journey now, but we walk go in down the riverside. It's been a while we don't come up here. So through rain a fall, place get bushy. Cane them a grow up. Yeah man.
Wow, we pull out Kim in a bush today guys.
Yeah man. Whole cane out. Yes peeps, it's about a month we don't come for the river. We are still say the river come down at the spot where we usually cook from. Water cover the rock. So we have to find one different spot now. We go and sort out. So we are cleaning up here so we start the fire. Let the fire catch up. Instead of the river come down this week, it come down. The place get bush up. And the pass we usually walk through bush up. So it's been a while we don't come here, and through the rainy season, you know, so you grab them and everything. Everything.
Yeah guys, river come down. Bank to bank, you know. Everybody afraid. Everybody afraid of going out water. Guys, that's where I go and I want to look it's good. Guys, I think the current is strong. So, get it. Current strong guys, even the wind. But we are going to try to make the video work though, you know? Yeah.
more stone will come.
Nobody not doing no water today. I feel selfie I take today.
That's the mind of the can't
Eh?
So you are a swimmer so you can go.
Yeah, I'm enjoying.
Take off some of my pot off for me. And it's a long day today. So it's jerk lamb. Rasta say him no want none.
Yeah, babes. Good old pork bone. Good old pork bone, babes. Curry down. Yeah.
Long pot so we take off some of the pot off.
We are wash here. We are not talking to people.
Hi guys, we're outside again shooting the next vlog. Stay tuned for the video, you know, some nice food.
With heavy current, water current
Yeah.
today. It's too much.
So you wash off with curry pork bone with some vinegar to get the season up. Now the vinegar cut away around this from the pork. Short water now we start. Blaze out. So I get half an onion and pepper, 3 cloves of garlic and piece of scallion and some thyme. And then look at Maggi. Look at meat season. Some garlic powder. And look at Maggi chicken season. I have adding the marination season. Once it's soaked up, I have garlic, pepper, bell pepper, thyme. You will get little curry pan just to change the colour. Rub in the curry night, you know. Eat that taste. That tastes like curry pork bone. Yeah, we're going to let it on marinate for 10 minutes. Yeah. So peeps, you're going to get the curry burger now. You'll put some a pack of garlic in the oil and piece of pepper. You'll get all the curry pork bone for the fire. You're going to turn some of the curry in the oil. Yes, please, so you're getting the pork bone now. You must stir, yeah. Pork bone. Tall man, look for a pretty pork bone, boy. taste of this today, no?
Come on, guys.
Yes, man, you have to taste of
Me don't have no problem eating pork. You understand? For example, if you have a food channel where you create content about food, you can't be skeptic, you understand? So if me have to eat pork, me have to eat pork. I'm not against pork, guys. It's just that I don't eat it. So, but if me have to eat it, me have to eat it. Give my part a honest review on the pork. Yeah. Yes, guys. So the oil is hot. So I'm gonna make a stock for the lamb. Using some bell pepper, thyme. I'm using a carrot. Carrot had a lot of flavors. Garlic, bay leaf, pimento leaf. Also pimento seed, onion and ginger. So we make the lamb be a sorrel lamb. We start add the flavor of the lamb with the sorrel from earlier. Yeah. As you can smell the aroma coming from the sorrel and the bay leaves. We can also add a lot of stuff in the stock. We can also add rosemary in the stock, but however, the rosemary will overpower the pimento leaf because the rosemary is very, very strong. We're going to leave the rosemary lamb for our next time. So we are going to add in the lamb. So we are going to scrape out all of the marination from the lamb. Yeah, so we are add a little bit of water, you know. Yeah, so. And this is Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog way of cooking the lamb. So we also go add just a little bit more water so the lamb can actually cover with the water and take its time and steam.
Yeah, so we'll add a little piece of pumpkin in curry. Now we'll add a few pimento leaf. Curry purple. Yeah. Stir it now and leave it, make it go and simmer down. Calm man, cut pork bone man, watch pretty pork bone. Babes, a breezy Sunday, and I have nothing to do. Make on the way down here, right at Barham River. Yeah man, curry pork bone. Alongside lamb, jerk lamb.
Guys, like, I don't know what's this, like there's a flowers blooming from the west. I don't really know, it's the first time I'm actually seeing something like this. But it looks so good, look at it. I don't like it can't even open, like you have a patch where it can't open, like come around. But it's the first time I'm actually seeing it. Like you have even a tail, look at it. Like you have a tail. Look at it.
Yes peeps, we'll get the dough sort out for the festival. We're gonna add like cheap on all-purpose flour.
Yeah, meanwhile Rasty there make the dough. I go and put some wood under the fire, you know?
Yeah, we're getting some salt. We'll add one vanilla lasco to it. We're going to add some cinnamon powder. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Some vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to add a half stick of butter. I'm going to add in some baking powder. A teaspoonful of sugar. And some cornmeal. I'm rubbing the dough, you know. Mix up the dough. You don't need a bit to raise for a while. The pot and start. Right. You can smell the flavor in I do already. I'll start kneading, you know, I'm getting some water and I can start kneading it up. Knead up the the festival I'm want about 2 dozen of them, you know. 2 dozen how much? 24? Yeah, man. Getting some more water tonight, you know.
Yes guys, I'm currently checking on the lamb. And I can see the sorrel started to give the lamb an amazing color. Yeah. So the sorrel start boil out. Yeah. And this is how you get the flavor towards the lamb when it come onto the stock. Cause the key ingredients to me is all about the stock. Whatever you add in it, that's how you get the flavor. Cause you know lamb itself rich in a flavor. Because remember, it's a lamb are actually goat, same way. Sheep are goat.
So yes, peeps, the dough finish knead out now, so we go put in one bag and cover up my leave make it do go race. Friday festival.
We are line up for next camping video. Maybe we can do one camping video down here. Get interested.
It's a good look, babes. Right on the riverside here. Beautiful. Green. Yeah man, Caribbean vibes are out on the riverside. The water kind of rough. Last time we come here, the water is kind of low, but why river come down. So we have to do the cooking up top here. So, babes, we're there man, we're there. Live in living color.
All for the fire, sir.
Yeah.
Keep the fire blazing.
Yeah.
Non-stop, all of the breeze is blowing. Non-stop.
Spicy jerk lamb, curry pork bone, festival. Yeah man, we're out man. And a sorrel sauce.
I'm actually ready guys. So I'm going to take out it and then allow it to cool and then slice it by giant in the ribs.
Why is that big, sir?
No, that me as your I know iguana bigger than that.
I want a baby one that is.
We have French fry right now.
Oh my! Oh my god, I'm French fry. Different conditions.
White dumpling.
Yeah guys, the lamb is so soft. Look at it. That's the one in the salami.
Come on, when you're ready, man. You're complete. Lamb of God.
Say the lamb of God.
The Lamb of Calvary.
The lamb of sheep, me I eat. So the reason why I pre-cook the lamb whole because I don't want it to break apart. So after I finish cook, that's when I cut it up. Yeah, so as you see, you can see the ribs. You can taste the sorrel, you can taste the herbs, you can taste the bay leaves. Lamb full of spice.
Yeah, we have to get it out.
Man. So I search the giant, guys.
Oh, the precious Lamb of God.
Look at that.
Yeah, man, I write me beat, man, because lamb. What do you say? Precious Lamb of God.
Yeah, full of flavor. Yes, man. So, stock for the lamb. I hit me, I go use and make the base sauce. So, I go add just a little bit of honey. Just a little bit more mild jerk marination. And then, for thickening it, the sauce, you can use roux or you can use cornstarch. So I'm going to use some jerk marination. Yeah. I'm going to add some honey, you know.
Or is real honey.
Yeah, 1 spoon of honey. I even add 2 spoons. Because honey, you know, honey is all natural. So honey tends to add a lot of flavor, you know. Honey have a lot of health benefit too. Yeah, so you can see the sauce, but you can see it's watery. So when I go use, I use like 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Just a little bit of water. Mix out here and then add it to thicken it. Man. Yeah, so I got add a little cornstarch. You can see the sauce start thickening up already. Yeah, so as I was explaining, you add the cornstarch based upon how thick you want the sauce. Yeah, and I think this is a perfect example of explaining how thick I want the sauce. As you can see,
Yeah.
look at it.
Rich, thick.
Yeah man, Rasta, taste the sauce, make the people in your walk on.
Yes, peeps. You can taste the sorrel. You can taste the bay leaf. I tell you, you can taste the lamb. Fully. I'm not a lamb person, but I tell you, sell off. 100 out of 100.
Yes, Rastafari. Yeah. If you're a Rasta, you can't eat lamb. Lamb all over ballad today.
Yes, peeps. We're going to curry pork bone season up and up. We're going to add 1 carrot, Irish, a pepper, 2 stalk of scallion, thyme, and half a bell pepper. In the curry pork bone. We'll add 1/4 stick of butter just to enhance the flavor.
What kind of honey you want? Honey.
Yeah, man. And look how more Maggi in it. You don't know if it's flavor up it. Curry pork bone is the difference. You look a piece of pumpkin. Oh my word. Curry pumpkin. Watch flavor. Watch richness. Oh my world. Yes, I need to put it on the Sunday. Curry pork bone with festival. And jerk. Lamb. In a sorrel sauce. Boom.
So I'm currently using a red stripe sorrel beer And what this does now is help to add flavor to the lamb. In other words, it helps to enhance the flavor of the lamb. Okay? And it also helps to add moisture to the lamb because we don't want the lamb to dry out. Yes guys, so apparently I am basting the lamb with the sauce. All I hope you guys can hear me because the wind is like heavy, blowing real hard. Yeah man, that's what Caribbean vibes do it. And this is my way of preparing the jerk sorrel lamb. You add little beer the boss here. I see your force man. You're too force man.
The force is just because it's a restaurant from the surgery.
Yeah.
Yes peeps, curry pork bone finally ready. I'll get here for fire now and get the festival them sort out. See there, rich in a pumpkin. Can't wait, the festival them fire ready. Yes peeps, as you can see, I'll get the festival them start. Rolling now. Jerk lamb ready. Pork bone ready. The peeps then can't wait to get tonight. So I'll get the festival. I'll get the festival and kick off.
Yes guys.
Woo! To the world, Caribbean vibes.
Yeah man, that's how we kick it boy. That's how we kick it. Yeah.
Peeps then they are going all the vibes.
Hard worker, known player. In Jamaica, we say we make Jack a dull boy, so we are celebrate, we are live life.
Man.
And I mean,
yes,
when they come on the Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog, we are enjoying with success already because the channel is growing so good.
Yeah.
As I always say, we can't do it without Uno guys because Uno are the one that make it possible.
Real,
so
man.
keep on supporting Caribbean Vibes cooking. People start comparing with to other outside vlog already, but we personally in our own league, you know what I mean?
We're not about competition.
No, in our own league, everybody.
League.
And to be honest, YouTube have a market for every YouTuber. Everybody have them own platform.
Yes, man.
Yes, but that's one thing me not like with Jamaican people love compare people too much.
Yeah.
For
real, man. Yeah, man, I can see the boss lady. I get out to my festival,
Nice festival now.
Catch a nice
brown color, yeah.
If you're down busy and you can make a pass with the baram, yeah man, you can come through. Caribbean vibes to the flipping world. Boom. Yeah peeps, everybody just chilling. Waiting on the ship to land.
Yeah, we're waiting on the spicy lamb.
Yes. See shy one here. Green eye shy one. Camera one again. Cameraman, you know him. Kind of look a bit try to see him here. Yeah man. With the big man. We are kick back. Get my cold breeze. Yes man.
And I drink vodka.
I drinking vodka, see him, you don't know. River flow. Nice and easy. Yeah man.
Vanilla, nothing like a lot of herbs and spice. But you have to know what to add in at this the festival to get out the festival. That's the festival no take up too much oil. That's the thing about it, you know. Everything have a balance. Just like our diet have to balance, we have to balance the ingredients in the festival.
Yes peeps.
Yeah.
Yeah peeps. Boss lady, I get the
festival
them sort of.
Festival, yeah man.
The man in pot so long man.
Yeah man, festival them look, you know, rich. Golden color, nice golden color, you know.
Yeah guys, big up to Nadisha, the boss lady, you know what I mean?
Bless
we make you take over, you know, because we have a me time now, you know?
Yeah.
Caribbean Vibes boss lady added again, you know, it's a teamwork make the dream work.
Yes man, fully active man, we see someone. See there, golden brown. Oh my word. I can't wait in the car, man. I tell you say, One, as I tell you, how much? 2 dozen how much? 24?
24.
Okay.
25, but I get to
Yo, Caribbean vibes still world, and we say, you don't know anything, sir. Big up on yourself. Yes, peeps, as I can see it, ship land. The ship come ashore. So, we'll get the food sure to know. Yeah, man. Don't know.
Yeah, so the lamb, there's a variety person who actually want the lamb. Cameraman want lamb, Chrissy want lamb. So, dog no want no lamb.
Yes, peeps, the next time around, I'll surely take a eat of the lamb. But no, from my curry pork one there, a straight curry pork.
Apparently, 4 person want the lamb. 4?
You know what you want to do?
You know, no lamb.
See the peeps, I killed me last week, but you can't kill me this week.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And the rice.
5 person want lamb. Then 2 person want no lamb. Just add it to the
Spicy jerk lamb. Boom. No, I'm not eating this.
What? We're not eat out.
Sorry, peeps, nobody eating it. We go. Normal plate this week.
Eat out tight.
Because I don't know heavy food. I do some, you know, we go small plate this week. Small plate this week. You rest for this week. Caribbean vibes bash, I go rest for this week.
Too greedy that I hear problem.
Let me share one plate tea.
Nobody can show it. You can't wait.
Actually, I carry home the lamb sauce. Because big up to Lee Pong who work at floor, but I make sure I care about the lamb sauce. So you can actually get to try the lamb sauce. So I'm going to bring back the lamb sauce along with piece of the lamb feet. Well, again. Dumpling. Here's a dumpling festival. I'm going to carry back some of the lamb feet. Call him
Watch your man, peeps. Watch you put in inside pork bone, man. Oh my word. Aye.
Chrissy, this is yours.
Watch you put in inside pork bone, man.
Thank you. Wow.
Yeah, wait to get enough for me.
I'm not even going to wait for the park. You know that one.
Ah, that's a bite. Oh my word.
Tasting really nice. Thank you.
Okay.
Lamb.
Yeah, this first one.
First time eating the lamb. Tastes really good. I like it. Nice. You should try it, guys.
Come in.
Yeah, peeps. Great old pork bone cooked down with pumpkin curry. What taste it? Mmm. Oh my word. You can taste the flavor of the nutmeg. Taste the vanilla. The spice just right. Everything right. For the pork bone.
Brie.
Peeps, I have enough here. This is every day also. Right on Sunday evening now. Curry pork bone with festival. Spicy jerk lamb with festival. Yes, enough there. Yeah, man.
We have one on this for the cameraman, guys.
Real, man.
Delicious. Loving the spicy lamb. Really nice. Very juicy. Seasoned just right. It's everything to die for. As well. Don't mind me, I'm gonna get my hands dirty today.
Yes, peeps. I tell you right. Let me take a seat. curry pork bone, festival, jerk lamb, now sorrel sauce. We need today, yes sir. You can taste the flavor.
Camera got left a long time now.
Your peeps, so. We do a pork bone with the festival, is nice. Put on with the pumpkin, you know.
Take a bit hot out your head and go see your face. Man.
Yeah, man. Not really hide, peeps. You don't hide now. Festival nice. Pork bone turn up. Now it's alright.
First time eating tastes really nice and I like it. Nice.
Guys, to be honest, if I'm going to rate the lamb, I'm going to rate it 100 out of 10. Because the sauce is something to die for. Like you can taste the Baileys, you can taste the sorrel, and then I made the lamb. So I try look for the word. I made the lamb taste so good. Like you can taste the smoke flavor, also you can taste the sorrel beer, and the lamb not dry out. The lamb full of juice, as you guys can see. And the festival,
Yes, peeps. Great look.
it's amazing, guys.
Yes, man.
Yeah. Spicy jerk lamb, sorrel sauce. I'm a finger me the car. It's crazy.
Yes, sir.
Vlogging with a different.
Yes, sir.
Vlogging with a different, guys. As I know, Caribbean vibe, 10 food don't want to do the same thing over and over. All about having fun, but also bringing new menu and new ideas to person all over the world.
Yes, man. Come on, Chrissy.
Yeah. We're there outside.
Still a galang with you.
Yeah, I still go down. I go down hill, man. Soon reach, you know? Yeah, big up.
I want the people to get themselves. They don't know what things said. We're out here and to be soon finished.
Come on. Cook one nice night festival. Come on, belly full of now. Oh, you know? Caribbean vibe, cooking vibe.
Oh, still on else. Yes, man. Peeps, I want to say cameraman not eat. A second one, cameraman I go on the seat here. Yes, man. A second one's boss I go on, man. So the curry pork bone and the lamb.
Everything about the lamb.
Anything but the lamb.
Good man.
Yes, man. Peeps out here in the cool evening.
I have a water, you know, it's very important to have water because water is what flush our system.
We don't want to be dehydrated.
Yes, so we have to drink water.
Okay. Yeah, man. Even nice. The peeps are out. Yes, Sabrina. How was the lamb? Yeah, you know. Yeah.
Bad man, bad. Thumbs up. Taste good, man, I like.
It's boss lady, everything good.
Come on, pork bone up in the festival, yeah, man. Nice.
Oh, yes, peeps. There's a river still a roll. Water come down. Today, man, out in the evening. Yes, peeps. Caribbean vibes teams out.
Come on, so with 10 feet, make the cameraman get a break from recording.
Yes,
because
sir.
you know, it's very important for him to have his meal as well as everyone. You know?
Yes, sir.
And then like people don't really get the time to see him.
Yeah.
We really appreciate the love where him put in it and the energy. So we take the time out to record and make the cameraman enjoy himself.
Yes, sir.
Because everybody have a very special role to play when you come on the Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog channel.
Yes, man.
Yes, man, and see cameraman enjoy a lamb. Second time,
Fully.
first time I eat a lamb, too, so it's another great experience for him, you know.
Yeah.
It's the first time like for Chrissy eating the lamb, and like for me eat lamb a lot, so you know, But it's not the first for me, like eating the lamb, but it's the first like they are eating the lamb and actually tasting the sorrel jerk lamb. So I feel so proud for myself, like for bringing that recipe to them so they can actually enjoy it. So,
Yeah.
It means a lot to me.
Fully active.
Yes, my people, you know it's another amazing day chilling with Team Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. You know, we're gonna start wash off the utensil them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And the females them, them the water too strong when they come onto the current. So I'm not going to advise them to go in the water, so you know them to take them selfie and all these things. But you know, keep it safe guys, keep it positive. Caribbean Vibes cooking. That one you know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace out.
Let's see if Dina getting here wash. Right on the riverside.
Come out to well soft, you know? Natural water, no chlorine.
Yeah, man. Get a hair wash. A wonderful evening, man.
Natural pure water. No chlorine in this water. You're gonna get longer.
Guys, look for the people, look for me. I'm here alone, I have all high fun. I'm not right if you belly full. I can't do my water. The water out everywhere. Guys, that's a food right. Food right. Food right. It's the water out everywhere. So next week we do a video of sweetie back. I'm sure you're going to take a swim. Alright, that's a bit of sweetie tonight. Yeah, water.
So after I finished shooting the video, we just decided to take a walk and scold the place just a little bit. So we are currently at the Barham Bridge, you know, and it's a good look because right away I'm thinking about shooting a content on the side of the bridge, you know, because we have a lot of stone and stuff. So basically we can cook on it. Even if the river really high, we can still cook on it. The dog over there, so lie down.
Yes, peeps. It's on full with belly and I will abide. Yeah, man, the next video is right here.
For Rasta people.
Yeah, peeps, I tell you, the great Sunday evening, lying down at the river of Barham after a great plate of curry pork bone with festival and jerk lamb in sorrel sauce. Oh my word. I just feel to sleep. Sleep. Boom.
Guys, the man will totally forget where he eat.
I told we eat too much.
But guess what? Boss now roll out to the big calabash this week, you know, people.
We can't afford to be mashed up this week.
You know what? Embarrassed this week and get it on.
No,
you know what?
I'm not making mashed up this week.
You know what? Embarrassed third week in a row, man.
Yes, man, I'm not making mashed up this week.
Man, I want me eat out of my own plate, man, so I serve him right, man.
Yes, man. It's a good look, man. Caribbean Vibes.
Yes guys, we had a wonderful day. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for the next video. Remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out and take care. Bye.